Hey makers, this is Dhruveen and in this session I am going to talk about how we can perform quick edit for your Power BI paginated report from your Power BI service. This new feature has been introduced recently. So now let's explore that feature in detail. Let me give you one more important announcement. If you wanted to be a part of my Instagram family, do follow me on Insta page where I am sharing different shorts, tips and tricks related Power Platform. The Insta ID is available here or maybe in the description box. So do follow me over there. So now let's explore quick edit for paginated report. But before that, here is an intro. Here I am on my machine and here you can see that I have opened one premium per user workspace where I have published this paginated report. The paginated report is looking like this on my screen. Now let's say here the title of paginated report is sales report 1. I wanted to change that title, but I want to change directly that from Power BI service. For that, one new option has been introduced now. You can select your Power BI paginated report and click on this ellipsis, and here there is an option called edit in Power BI report builder. So just click on that. It will allow you and open the Power BI report builder directly from your service. So once you click on that, what happen here is it will launch your Power BI report builder. First of all, you need to sign in with your account over here. And this will open your Power BI paginated report directly from service to report builder. Now let's make some changes over here. So I'm just changing my report title over here. And now I will republish my report. So I will click on publish and select the workspace and just click on save. And it will ask you that it is already exists. Do you want to replace that? So yes. And here we are. The paginated report has been published successfully and it is edited directly from the service and open the report builder with the RDL file. Now let me open up Power BI service and let me just hit refresh and let's see the report update. And here we are. The report has been published successfully and you can see that the title is also being changed. One more important thing. We have clicked on ellipsis and we have edited the report through report builder from service. Now there is another way as well. You simply need to click on file menu and just click on edit, and this will also open the report builder in your machine, right? So make sure about this feature as well. So this is how you can directly edit your Power BI paginated report from service and open the report builder and publish it in few easy steps. Hope this tip is helpful to you. If you have any question, add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. I am uploading new video related Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, Teams and SharePoint on my channel. So make sure that you never miss any updates from my channel. If you want to follow me on my different social media handles, all the links are available on top of the banner. If you wanted to looking for any consultancy, here is the website link. Click on that. It will redirecting you to this page. Click on contact and you are good to go. If you are looking to follow me on all my social media handles, click on this link. It will redirecting you to my Linktree URL. Just follow me on any of my social media handles from here. If you are looking to follow me on my Instagram page, here is an Insta ID. Click on that. It will redirecting you to this page. Here I am uploading different posts, reels, IGTV and so many other things related Power Platform. So if you are looking for Instagram learning, do follow me on my Instagram. Insta ID is very simple. Just go to your Instagram, click on search and search for Power Platform Guy and you are good to go. Also, if you are interested for different Power Platform podcast, just click on this podcast link. It will redirecting you to my podcast homepage. Here you can listen your favorite Power Platform podcast on your different podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify and much more. So do follow me on my podcast platform as well. If you are interested for different short tips and tricks related Power Platform, here is a separate channel called Digital Dhruvin. Click on that channel and subscribe that channel and show your love over there as well. Here I am uploading different short video related Power Platform. This is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Goodbye.